Hi everyone, I am Yasser Ali and today I am going to discuss Fleet Solid Sport Program. Summary executive includes the UK Ministry of Defence Fleet Solid Sport Program represents a key activity within the shipbuilding industry, committed to fulfilling the Royal Navy requirement to attain three vessels. These vessels will be critical elements in the naval component of the supply chain, moving ammunition, food, and even solid store like spare parts to ship underway in support of global operations and maintaining operational continuity and efficiency. The program puts towards achieving the UK's overall strategic goals of sustaining maritime supremacy, allied support through NATO partners, and further strengthening more of the nation's defense capability. This ambition to achieve multiple outcomes sit at the front of this initiative, revitalizing the UK shipbuilding industry and incorporating sustainable green technologies into design and construction. Team Resolute, a joint venture of PMT, Horland, and WOF, and Navitia UK, was awarded the £1.6 billion contract in January 2023. It was the culmination of an innovative, short, and accelerated competition phase. The FSS program emphasizes social value and economic investment with an estimated UK shipyard investment worth around of £100 million. The investment will accelerate knowledgeable transfer across the supply chain, drive skill development, and improve infrastructure. A total of 1,200 shipyard jobs, hundreds of graduate and apprenticeships roles, and additional 800 opportunities in the border supply chain are to be created as a direct result of the scheme. The FSS program demonstrates a renewed focus on collaborating between UK and international shipbuilders, learning from lessons previously learned from projects such as Mars Tanker and the type of Frigate. It is hoped that this will strengthen the UK defence enterprise, bolster the UK Royal Navy and Carrier Strike Group, demonstrate innovative contracting and procurement strategies, and give way to social and economic as well as technical excellence. Uh, Further, when we move to the project overview, first of all, scope of the project is the most important of any project. The FSS program is aimed at delivering three solid support ships for the logistical requirement of the Royal Navy Carrier Strike Group. The resupply of vessels at the sea during extended missions will be assured by these ships, which will be capable of providing operational sustainability. Green technology incorporation to minimize the influence on the environment, enhancing interoperability with our NATO partner, adhering to strict defense standards while supporting global mission. When we talk about the project objectives, there are four basic objectives of this project. Number one is operational readiness. Number two is economic growth. Third is innovation, and number fourth is the skill development. First of all, when we talk about scope and objective of this program, main aspects include scope, key, deliverables, objective, investment, and jobs created. As we earlier mentioned in introduction part, total investment of this project is 1.6 billion, 1,200 shipyard jobs and 100 of apprenticeships and 800 supply chain roles are created. When we talked about scope, it involves delivery of three solid support ships for the Royal Navy. And different partners are involved, just like NATO, are involved in this project. Uh, Stakeholder, as we know, everyone stakeholder is very important for any project. For this project, there are four main stakeholder are involved, in which first of all the Ministry of Defense, Team Resolute, Royal Navy, and supply chain partners are involved for this project. For every project, we must consider risk. Risk is very important for any project. Risk focus involve FSS program significant risk. The complexity of the FSS program introduces several risks that require careful management. First of all, supply chain vulnerability, technological integration, and economic and political risk. All these are involved risk, impact, and mitigations. Importance of risk management. When we talk about the importance of the risk management, achieving the FSS program objective depends on managing these risks. Risk mitigation allow Royal Navy logistical framework to be delivered on time at cost to sustain long-term operational capabilities. Um, Guidance on request for proposal RFP. Contract type: a fixed price contract model is expected of the supplier. This allows inhabitation to the MOD's cost exposure while driving suppliers complaints with budgets and time phrase. Procurement process involves pre-qualification, proposal submission, evaluation criteria, and risk mitigation under supplier expectations involve contingency supply chain plans, implement of robust quality control mechanism to meet ISO 9001 standards. Lessons from similar projects that are already have done can be incorporated to improve outcomes. The portfolio insights involved. These are commercial management foundation among the FSS program application of commercial management. The principles in financial planning, budgeting, and risk containing associated with fixed contracts. The MODs encourage suppliers to put forward responsibility of the cost. When we talked about portfolio insights, it involves commercial management, risk assessment, procurement innovation, and social values. Also, qualitative and quantitative risk assessment. Number five is theory supporting risk management. Prospect theory proposed by Kahneman and Tversky explains how stakeholder thinks about risk based on the opportunities for gain and loss. This theory forms the foundation of procurement strategy in the FSS program to support stakeholder performance, gain their rebuy, and limit resistance to innovative approach. Agency theory. In the agency theory of Eisenhardt, the interest of the principals and agents needs to be aligned. A fixed price contract under the FSS program carry shared accountability, reduce conflicts, and improve project performance. And practical implications of project enhanced decision making programs. In the right side, you can see aspect of theory, description, and application in FSS program. Um, Integration of strategies, commercial management foundation, financial planning. Financial planning, physical discipline is ensured through detailed cost estimation and budget calibration. Risk containment, change and quality management, incremental innovations. ISO standards are very important for any project procurement and contracting. Competitive procurement, it allows for more confident and innovative phase of the market. Collaborative frameworks provides a framework for the partners, including UK and international stakeholders, to work together. At the number seven, we find findings and analysis. Key findings: FSS program creates jobs and advanced local industries, which also adds greatly to economic growth and economic to country defense capabilities. These are also involves risk management. Pre-qualification, proposal submission, evaluation, and contract award. Some description and key activities you can see on the right side of the table. Then recommendations: strengthen supply chain resilience, minimize disruption, focus on green technology, adopt continuous improvement, so we can follow the ISO standards. In conclusion, the Fleet Solid Support Program is a forward-looking initiative combining defense priorities and economic and social benefits. The project integrates advanced risk and management techniques, innovative procurement process, and sustainable practices, and meets its two aims: that revitalizing the UK shipbuilding industry and enhancing the Royal Navy capability. The Fleet Solid Support Program is a crown project of the UK military defense to deliver three state-of-the-art sport ships in Royal Navy logistic network. These ships are designed to deliver ammunition, food, and spare parts of the vessel sea in the sport of sustained global operations and strengthen the UK defense capability. The scope, objective, and risk management strategies of the program have been investigated in this report. That's more, this has included some application of risk management theories like prospect theory and agency theory. In addition, it reviews procurement process, contract structures, and commercial management integration, and provides clear RFP guidelines for the suppliers. These are the different reference used for this presentation. You can see at the end. I want to thank you. I am open for any questions and criticism. Thank you, gentlemen. Have a good day.